Welcome to the captivating world of real estate. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just beginning your journey, there's always something new to learn in this ever-evolving landscape. In this exploration of real estate investing, we will uncover the major shifts that have reshaped the financial and investing spheres. Along the way, we'll provide you with actionable advice based on future insights to help you make informed decisions. So, let's dive right in. And together, we'll unveil the secrets of real estate, the winds of change. Real estate investing has come a long way from traditional methods of property hunting. Thanks to technology, the industry has experienced significant transformations, making it more accessible and efficient for investors. From virtual property tours to sophisticated AI-powered algorithms analyzing market trends, these innovations have revolutionized the way we buy, sell, and invest in properties. Blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies, has also found its way into real estate transactions. Smart contracts now enable secure and transparent property deals without the need for intermediaries, reducing transaction costs and increasing trust in the process. Additionally, the rise of fintech platforms has democratized real estate investing. Crowdfunding platforms allow investors to pool their resources and invest in larger properties collectively, leveling the playing field for individual investors who couldn't afford such opportunities before. Actionable insights. As we embrace the future of real estate, here are some actionable insights to help you thrive in this dynamic landscape. Harness the power of PropTech. Embrace technology to streamline your real estate journey. Explore virtual reality property tours to save time and effort while exploring potential properties from the comfort of your home. PropTech tools can also provide you with real-time data and insights on property valuations and market trends. Cultivate a diversified portfolio, spreading your investments across different types of properties and geographic locations is a fundamental strategy to manage risk. Residential properties provide stability, while commercial properties offer higher potential returns. Balancing your portfolio can help you weather market fluctuations and economic uncertainties. Long-term vision for wealth building. Real estate is a proven avenue for long-term wealth creation. While short-term gains are enticing, a patient approach to investing in properties with strong growth potential is the key to building sustainable wealth. Financial analysis for informed decisions. Real estate investing involves substantial financial commitments, so it's crucial to conduct thorough analyses before making any decisions. Calculate your cash flow projections, return on investment, ROI, and consider tax implications to avoid unpleasant surprises down the road. Learn from experts and mentorship. Seek guidance from seasoned investors who have successfully navigated the real estate market. Mentorship can offer valuable insights and help you avoid common pitfalls, accelerating your learning curve and boosting your chances of success. In the world of real estate, there's no shortage of amusing stories and peculiar situations. Imagine a real estate agent showcasing a property only to discover the resident cat has taken a keen interest in the potential buyers. And who hasn't heard of the classic open house mishaps where a door gets stuck, revealing an embarrassingly cluttered room? On a more serious note, some investors have shared their tales of buying properties without proper due diligence, only to find out later about undisclosed structural issues or troublesome neighbors. These anecdotes serve as valuable reminders to always do your homework before making any real estate moves. Evolving market trends. As we venture into the future, several market trends demand our attention. One significant shift is the growing focus on sustainable and eco-friendly properties. Environmental consciousness is not just a buzzword, it's a driving force shaping consumer preferences and property values. Investing in green buildings and eco-conscious developments can yield both financial and ethical rewards. Moreover, urbanization is another prominent trend impacting real estate investing. As cities continue to expand, properties closer to urban centers are in high demand. Investors who recognize the potential of urban renewal projects and invest in properties with promising growth prospects stand to benefit significantly. Challenges and risks. Every investment carries its fair share of challenges and risks, and real estate is no exception. Rising interest rates, economic downturns, or unexpected market shocks can disrupt even the most carefully crafted investment plans. One particular risk worth noting is the potential impact of climate change on coastal properties. As sea levels rise, properties in coastal areas may become more susceptible to flooding and other climate-related risks. Investors need to be mindful of such long-term environmental threats when considering properties in these regions. The power of community. Investing in real estate doesn't have to be a solitary journey. Joining real estate investment clubs or online communities can be immensely beneficial. Engaging with like-minded individuals allows you to learn from their experiences, exchange ideas, and collaborate on potential investment opportunities. As technology and market dynamics continue to evolve, remember to embrace PropTech, diversify your portfolio, adopt a long-term vision, conduct thorough financial analyses, and seek wisdom from experienced mentors. In this ever-changing landscape, humor, anecdotes, and a strong community of fellow investors will keep you grounded and engaged. So let's raise a virtual toast to the future of real estate, where innovation and knowledge blend to unlock new possibilities and build lasting wealth. Happy investing! Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of real estate. If you enjoyed the content and found value in our insights, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating and educational content. Until next time, may your real estate ventures be prosperous and fulfilling. Stay tuned and stay curious. See you soon.